Today I will be showing you how to plant snap peas in a container. I've already started some snow peas, as you can see, but today I will be planting the seeds for these. To do this, I first sprouted my peas to give them a head start, but you don't have to do that. It just may take a little longer for them to come out. You'll want to get some good potting soil and a decent sized pot. I am going to show you how to pre-sprout peas. First you need pea seeds. I find it helps them pop out faster with the soil when you do this. First you're going to take your seeds and kitchen paper and a Ziploc. You'll also need to wet this, but I have enough peas going, so I'm not going to wet this. But you will want to wet this when you do it. And you just put the peas and then you wet it. And then I just barely fold them in. Put them in a bag. This would be wet when you're doing it. And then I leave it open and put it somewhere sunny and check on it every few days if it's sprouted. And then once it's sprouted, you just plant it like you would a seed. And that's it. Here's our pre-sprouted seeds. I put them in a wet paper towel.
See, Mama, see.
And now they are ready to be planted. We're going to plant these pea seeds, and I just poke a hole, not too deep, but a little bit deep. Okay. I'm going to take the pea seed. These are pre-sprouted. You want to try? Put one. Put one. Right, put one. Take it. And make sure that your peas have something to grow on, so some support. Yeah, you want to put? Hold on. You have to put it in a hole. There. If you choose not to pre-sprout the seeds, you can soak them overnight to help with germination. I'm just planting them about an inch deep and about 2 inches apart. And I'm making sure to pat in the soil so that they don't come loose. And then you water them quite a bit, but make sure that you don't overwater them after this, because then they'll rot. Yeah. There we go.
Hey.
You'll want a decent sized pot for planting peas. No thank you for it, but they're really easy to do. We did it!
We did it.
Now we just wait. It can take 2 to 3 or 4 weeks for them to sprout, just depending on the weather. Here's my purple peas. And hopefully I can come back with an update once they've sprouted and show everybody. Thanks for watching.